Hi everyone! In today's class, we are going to do cardio for kids. So we are just going to get our heart rate up by doing different kinds of jumps. So actually we are going to do 5. And if you are looking to make this workout a little bit longer, then you can do the whole sequence maybe 2 times, 3 times, or maybe even 5 times. So for this class, we don't need any special equipment or tool. All you need is your mat, or if you don't have a mat, just any space. And then maybe you can wear shoes as well if you like. So I hope you have fun. So we'll stand up on our mats and then go ahead. How about let's find mountain pose. Okay, so can you stand tall? And then if you're doing this with your mommy or daddy, okay, or maybe a brother or sister, maybe they can do the tickle test on you and see if you're a strong, solid mountain. All right, for our first jump, we're going to do 10 jumping jacks. Okay? So can you be a strong, solid mountain? And then when you're ready, we'll jump 10 times. All right, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And freeze. Can you come back to your mountain pose again? All right, for our second jump, we're going to do what's called highland jack. So in our highland jack, we'll bring our arms out to airplane arms or out to a T, and then you'll bring the right leg in front, right arm on top. And then we'll switch sides. Left leg in front, left arm on top. And then when you switch, make sure that you widen out your arms and then switch on to the other side. All right? So let's set up the legs. Let's bring the legs a little bit wider. Okay? And then can we stand in strong mountain again? Okay? And then we'll do 10 highland jacks. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and freeze. For our third jump, we're going to do what's called knee-high march. Okay? So you're going to bend your elbows. Okay? So just keep your fingers or your hands steady. And then can you bring your knees up towards the hands? Okay? So we're bringing the knees up rather than bringing the hands down. Okay? So keep your hands steady. And then when we do this, you can walk around your mat or walk around the room. And remember, we'll do it a little bit faster. And we'll do it 10 times again. Ready? And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then come back to mountain pose. All right, for our fourth jump, we're going to do what's called heel taps. So you'll just bring your hands onto your hips or onto your waist. And then if I show from the side, we're going to tap our heel towards our bum. Okay, so just as close as you can. And then when we do this exercise or drill again, you can walk around your mat or walk around your room. Okay, we'll do this 10 times. Ready? And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, then come back to mountain pose. Okay, this time, for our fifth drill, we are going to do leg kicks. Okay, so you'll just lift your right arm up as high as you can, and then can your left leg meet the right hand, and then kick up. Right, so we'll get to stretch the back of our legs. Then you'll alternate left hand. Let your right leg try to meet the left hand, and then we'll walk around, okay, as if you're swimming or as if you're walking up like a tin soldier. Then you'll go ahead and walk around your space. Okay, we'll do it 10 times when you're ready. Okay, I'll start at the front of my mat, lift the right arm up, and then we'll kick as high as you can. Okay, for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, maybe kick a little bit higher. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, we'll come back to our mountain pose. Okay. Now, if you want to get more of a workout and would like to build that sweat, maybe how about let's do the drill, all sets of the drill, one more time. All right, let's come back to mountain pose. Get our lungs ready. Breathe in through the nose. Breathe out through the nose. First drill, let's do 10 jumping jacks. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to mountain pose. Bring your legs a little bit wider. Let's do 10 highland jacks. And 10, 9, switch. Don't forget to switch. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And freeze. Find mountain pose again. Bend the elbows. Let's do our knee-high march. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, let's do our heel taps. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lastly, let's do our leg kicks. Lift the right arm as high as you can. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, come back to mountain. Maybe bring your hands to your heart. I know my heart is beating fast. Okay, so let's try to cool down a bit. Bring your legs slightly wider. And then as you inhale, you reach your arms up. And then exhale, we'll reach down. Can you slowly roll all the way up, breathing in. And then as you exhale, let's add a mini squat. Bend the knees as you reach down low. As you roll all the way up. Just 2 more times. Inhale. And exhale. Last one, breathing in. As you roll up. And then exhale. As you reach down to the floor. And then you'll slowly roll up. Can we find mountain pose again? Maybe jump the feet together. Hands by the sides. Then let's bring the hands in front of the heart. Namaste. So I hope that was fun for you, or maybe fun for your family if you did it all together. Know that it will get your heart rate up, and actually towards the end I was running out of breath. So don't forget to breathe. So I'd like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.